All right, quickly shifting our attention now to West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's reaction in the case. She says she also did a rally seeking capital punishment for the accused in the 3 cases where the police has investigated. Punishment has been given within 53 days. She says this has come a little late. So that is Mamata Banerjee finally breaking her silence in the Arjikar case, because do remember, for the longest time Mamata Banerjee was really not commenting and said that she's not going to comment until the court delivers the judgment. This was before she left for North Bengal and said that she will not comment until the court delivers its judgment. Now Mamata Banerjee has come out to say that she too has been rallying for capital punishment for the accused. Whether it's going to be life imprisonment, which is the minimum sentencing in this case, or capital punishment, we're going to have to wait a little while longer. The accused lawyer currently at the courtroom, the teams have arrived and we're standing by for that big decision on quantum of punishment from the court in West Bengal. But Chief Minister also hailing the investigations that have been conducted by the West Bengal police. Like I said, she has spoken of the 3 cases where the police investigations were in charge, and she said investigations led to punishment within 53 days time in all those cases. I want to go across to Ananya Bhatnagar joining us with more details. Sanjay Roy's sentencing is expected in a short while from now, Ananya, and all eyes really on what that big order is going to be. But this is a brief reaction that's also coming from Mamata Banerjee. Take us through the latest updates. What's going on there?
Well, definitely, as far as the colleague Kamalika is concerned, who is inside the court, tells us that, the CBI lawyer and the lawyer for the accused person is already there inside the court. Any minute from now, we can see that, the arguments on the point of quantum of sentence can actually begin. And, these are very short arguments that happen on a quantum of sentence usually. And the judgment comes out in the day itself. So we might expect that, the quantum of punishment is decided today itself. It's basically, what is discussed in a quantum of punishment is basically that how much is the severity of this particular offense, whether this offense actually that has been committed by the particular person, in this case Sanjay Roy, is something that falls in the rarest of the rare category, and how much of a sentence should be given. While the CBI is likely to push for a death penalty in this particular case, calling it the rarest the rare case, the Sanjay Roy's lawyers would defend him, saying that he is not somebody who is in fact has done it. He is somebody who has been made a scapegoat, and there might also be a defense that he is the sole earning member of the family, and hence he has a lot of the people who are dependent upon him. So how much of it does it play up is something that would be interesting to see, Kritswin. But politically also the matter being raged up, Mamata Banerjee coming out and saying that she held up rallies for in fact, for a capital punishment in this particular case. But if I take you back to the days when this case had actually cropped up, there had been various loopholes as far as this case is concerned, because there had been a lackadaisical approach of, in fact, the Kolkata police in the first instance. And if you remember that these are not my words, these are words of the Calcutta High Court that eventually led to the Calcutta High Court to transfer this probe from the Kolkata police to the Central Bureau of Investigation. And very clearly and categorically at this particular point of time, all eyes are on the additional sessions judge of the Sialdah court, Anirban Das, who would be hearing these arguments on the point of quantum of sentence and would be then pronouncing its order. So we'll have to wait and watch as to how things pan out, but definitely it's a big day, and it would decide the fate of Sanjay Roy. And also, all eyes are now on the Sialdah court itself.
Oh yes, absolutely. And like you rightly pointed out, despite the High Court's observations, Mamata Banerjee has come out to laud the police work as far as investigations in this case are concerned. So let's quickly listen in once again to that brief comment that's come in from the West Bengal Chief Minister.
ফাঁসির দাবিতে আমি নিজেও মিছিল করেছিলাম, সবাই করেছে। সুতরাং এটা জাজেদের উপর নির্ভর করে এবং কিভাবে কেস সাজানো হয়েছে। আমরা তো পরপর 3টে কেসে ফাঁসি করেছি, 54 দিনের মধ্যে করেছি, কিন্তু জাজেরা একটু টাইম নেয়, তার কারণ তাকে দেখতে হয় আফটারে। এটা জুডিশিয়ারিকেও আমি থ্যাঙ্কস জানাই এবং আমাদের টিম অফ ইনভেস্টিগেশনকেও টাইম নেয়। সুতরাং এই কেসটাকেও আমরা বিচার চাই।